me tell you something. Everybody ain't your people. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't rooting for you. Some people love what you do for them, but they don't love you. That's a hard lesson. Especially when you got a good heart. Especially when loyalty means something to you. Especially when you grew up believing if you hold somebody down, they'll hold you down too. A lot of us learned this the hard way. We kept showing up, kept giving, kept helping, kept answering the phone, kept sending money, kept giving rides, kept solving problems, kept being available. And when you hit your rough patch, silence. No call, no texts, no help, no support, nothing. And that's when reality hits. You weren't building a bond, you was carrying a burden. See, people remember what you did for them. They don't always remember what you sacrificed for them. There's a difference. See, some people get comfortable with your presence. They get comfortable with your kindness. They get comfortable with your loyalty. And after a while, they stop appreciating it. They start expecting it. And now your help isn't a blessing, it's an obligation. Now every time you say no, they act different. Every time you set a boundary, they get offended. Every time you focus on yourself, they accuse you of changing. Let me ask you something. Why is it a problem when you finally choose yourself? Why is it selfish that you protect your peace? Why is it wrong when you stop letting people drain you? The answer is simple. Some people benefit from the old version of you. The version that never said no. The version that always showed up. The version that put everybody else first. The version they stayed available 24 hours a day. The version that made life easier for them. But what about you? Who was helping you? Who's checking up on you? Who's making sure you were good? A lot of people know exactly how much you care. That's why they keep taking. Because they know you will give. One of the biggest mistakes people make is confusing loyalty with self-sacrifice. Those are two different things. Loyalty means standing on principles. Self-sacrifice means losing yourself trying to save everybody else. You see it every day. Somebody keeps lending money they don't have. Somebody keeps forgiving disrespect. Somebody keeps carrying grown people who refuses to carry themselves. Somebody keeps pouring into people who never pours back. And every year, they look more tired, more stressed, more frustrated. Because deep down, they know the truth. The relationship is unbalanced. The friendship ain't balanced. The effort ain't balanced. Okay, but they keep hoping things will change. Hope is not a strategy. Okay, people show you exactly who they are through actions, not words, actions. See, anybody can say they love you. Anybody can say they're your family. Anybody can say they're solid. Watch what they do. Watch how they move when you need something. Watch how they move when you win. Watch how they move when you stop giving. That's when the masks start peeling off. That was somebody told me years ago. You cannot save everybody. You cannot carry everybody. And you darn sure can't fix everybody. Some people are committed to staying exactly who they are. No matter how much advice you give. No matter how much money you spend. No matter how much time you invest. Some people love the help more than they love growth. That's why every conversation sounds the same. Every year looks the same. Every excuse sounds the same. And somehow you expected to keep rescuing them. Meanwhile, your own dreams are sitting on the shelf. Your goals are waiting. Your future is waiting. Your peace is waiting. Because you're busy saving people who don't even want to save themselves. I'm going to let you go with this. You don't owe everybody access to your energy. Okay? You don't owe everybody your time. You don't owe everybody an explanation. Protecting your peace isn't being fake. Setting boundaries isn't being selfish. Growing isn't switching up. it's maturing. If a cup stays empty, no matter how much you pour into it, the problem isn't the amount you give. The problem is where you pouring. Stop giving your best to people who gives you their leftovers. Stop chasing people who only call when they need something. Stop breaking your back for people who wouldn't inconvenience themselves for you. Stop investing in people. Invest in yourself. Start investing in your goals. Start investing in people who show love without an agenda. People who clap when you win. People who check on you when you're down. People who pour back into you. Because life gets different when your circle is built on respect instead of convenience. And the day you stop pouring into empty cups is the day you get your power back.